So in this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok not letting you create a new account. So first thing, click on the settings on your phone, open the apps manager, and then like this, open the apps, and now all what you wanna do is just wait a few seconds, and now scroll until you find TikTok and click on it, click on the storage, click on this clear data right here, click on clear cache, and now click on this force stop. Now you have to click on the permissions, make sure to enable all the permissions, especially the storage permission, and now go back into the settings again, go to the wireless and networks, go to the airplane mode, enable it and then disable it, and then go to the Wi-Fi, disable it and enable it back, and now restart your phone, reopen TikTok, and try to create a new account. Don't forget to like, subscribe.